Hello, today we're going to make a random terrain generation thing in Scratch. As you can see, if you click the green flag, it will randomly generate lots of terrain. And also there are ores and trees. So let's get started. First, paint a sprite. Name it terrain. Now, use the box tool. Zoom in. Make sure there's no outline. Press Shift and go 1, 2, 3 pixels. By pixels, I mean these things. Oops. These 1, 2, 3, and then count 1, 2, 3. Now, press Shift and do this. And make it a good size. Make sure it is a good size. Make sure it's 16 by 16. Now, make the color brown. Oops. Color brown. And use the box tool again. Make the fill green. And draw from here to here. Make it a good size. Then just make some texture thingies like this. And then here, more here. And here. Now name it grass. Duplicate this. Delete all the green. And name this dirt. Now duplicate this again and name it stone. Make the fill gray. Use the box tool. Make the fill darker gray. And just drag some random lines like this here to make a stone texture. Make sure it's random. Now duplicate the stone. Name it coal ore, and then use the box tool and make the color black. And now just do these little chunks. And make lots of random things to look like coal ore. Duplicate the coal ore. Delete all the black. Actually select all the black. And then make the color green. And name it emerald ore. Duplicate this one more time. Select all the green. And you can add as much ore as you want. And then actually change the color to blue first. Light blue. And name it diamond ore. Now, duplicate the dirt and put it all the way to the bottom. Name it tree. Make the brown a different color. And then make it about 16 by 52. And then you make use the box tool. Make the fill green. And then create bushes for the tree, like the tree leaves. As you can see, leaves. Use the box tool again and make the color brown. Actually use this color and then make it darker. And just make some lines for the tree bark texture to make it look good and like a tree. Now go into the code. When green flag clicked, and then add extension, add the pen extension, and then erase all. Now go to costumes and switch it to grass, and place the grass block about here, and then go to the position you placed the block. Now make a block name Create Terrain. Run without screen refresh. Place it there, and then now show the block, then go to the same place here. Now erase all, and then make a new variable named height. And for this sprite only, set height to pick random 7 to 10. You can also change the values of 7 and 10. Now do a repeat block. Repeat and then 30 times. Now switch costume to stone. Switch costume to stone. Then repeat by the height. And then switch costume to pick random 3 to 6. Make sure it's 3 because that's the stone, and make sure it's 6 because that's the last type of ore. Now duplicate this one time and put it in here. Duplicate this another time and put it in here. And lastly, duplicate it and put it in here. Now stamp. And then change Y by 16. Because it is 16 by 16. Now switch costume to dirt. And then repeat 3 times. Repeat 3 times. And then stamp. And then now change Y by 16. And then duplicate this script and put it here and make it grass. And then just instead remove the repeat block and it'll look like this. Then set Y to this number, the Y, for here. And then set height to plus height plus pick random -1 to 1. And then lastly, hide. And then go to the backgrounds, and you make the background color a blue color, as you can see, a nice sky blue. Now, if you click the green flag, oh yeah, and also in the terrain, make sure this is a change X by 16, and then place that there. Now, as you can see, it will generate. Oh yeah, and also I forgot to add something. Do a if here and place it this here. So if in the grass and this script. Now equals pick random 1 to 10, and if it equals 1, then switch costume to tree and stamp. Now as you can see, trees will spawn. And now you have a terrain generation thing. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.